industry first from Volunteer Audio and SeirenHD. Our new 8-channel HD-A2B8 interface keeps those factory add-on Rockford Fosgate subwoofers working. So if you already made the mistake, spent all the money, added those subwoofers to your bike, but you realized you were unhappy with the clarity and the volume of the rest of the system, now we've got you. We can keep those working while either selling you a universal interface to put any brand speaker or amp you want in the rest of the bike, or it now works with our awesome Hertz plug-and-play systems. Nobody else can do this. No other interface has this ability, and now it's not just an 8-channel, that makes it a 10-channel. So now we fully removed that factory Rockford amplifier out of the fairing. We've put our Hertz 1000-watt RMS in. It's loud, it's clear, and these things sound really, really good. But wait. Don't buy these if you haven't done it yet. The Hertz subs are just around the corner, and in a few weeks I'll be showing you in video the new Hertz drop-in subwoofer that sounds even better for a whole lot less money. 2 new things, both first at Volunteer Audio. All right, so since these bikes came out, Volunteer Audio and SeirenHD has absolutely been on top of our game when it comes to the new A2B interface and the Skyline OS radio. We were the absolute first to have an interface to put an amp in, but why stop there? Let's continue and do more and more. So every factory feature at this point has been retained. We can retain your fader, we can retain all your factory EQ, we retain auto speed volume, and now we retain all those factory add-on amplifiers. So if you've added on those drop-in subwoofers, we're going to keep it working, but we're going to give you so many more options as a little bit of time moves forward. Again, the Hertz drop-in subwoofer is right around the corner. I've seen the final version. They're sending me a sample in the next couple of weeks. So when we return from the Beartooth Rally, I should have one here that I can put in a bike and let you hear it. So if you haven't bought the Rockford ones, don't do it. Wait on the Hertz. If you've already got them, but you're unhappy with the rest of the system, we're going to have a way for you to upgrade that and make it louder, make it clearer. Now, if you went all the way, you bought that Rockford Stage 3 speakers front and rear, you bought the drop-in subwoofers, but you still know there's something missing, I've got something else coming for you very soon. So watch our next couple of videos. I'm going to be showing you the Rockford Stage 3 speakers. We're going to do some testing on them. We're going to show you how they differ from the Stage 2 that came in the CVOs in the bike's factory. But we're also going to show you our answer to making them so much better. Those speakers are 250 watts RMS. The amp that you buy at the dealership on our dyno did 78 watts. So I'm going to show you our solution, which is a Hertz SP 4.900 that does 250 watts RMS to each one of your speakers, but Volunteer Audio is building a special tune for it to make it louder, to make it clearer, and give it the power you wanted without blowing those speakers up. So watch our upcoming videos. But even then, their speakers don't compare to our full Hertz system and several more options we have coming in the near future. As always, we want to be not only the first, we want to be the best. And at Volunteer Audio, we're using the best internal components. We're making our interface right here in the US, and we're making sure that everything works. From being able to update our interfacing through the factory USB to now retaining factory amplifiers, nobody else can offer the features that we have with our team at SeirenHD. If you want to know more about this interface, visit volunteeraudio.com, click the link above. We'll take you straight to the universal interface. If you want to see our plug-and-play packages, go to the same website and put the plug-and-play packages, put in your year, and look at the systems we have for your bike. If you need help finding the right system, give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. We're here. We'd be happy to talk to you about your bike, your build, your budget, put together that perfect system. Now, for all of you who want to know, can I pre-order the Hertz subs? When am I going to know more? No, you can't pre-order it yet. We'll tell you all about that in an upcoming video, and we'll launch pre-orders once we have a sub here to show you and make sure you know exactly what you're getting. We'll go over all those options in a future video. Very, very soon, we'll also have upgraded grills available. Yes, I'll make another video when they're here so you know when you can buy it. But all you guys that were waiting because you had those factory subs and you wanted to know if you could keep them, now's the time. These are available now. Not only does it do it, we've got them already programmed. So out of the box, our universal is going to keep the subs working. You don't have to do anything but plug it up, put in your amp, set your gain, set your crossovers. And now if you have a Hertz system and you did this, and a couple of you guys did because I've been talking to you on the phones, yes, you can call us now. Yes, I've already got a Hertz tune built that does the full plug-and-play system with the Hertz speakers and the big Hertz amp and retains them right out of the box. So no programming on your end. You don't have to be the expert. We're the experts. We've done the testing, and we made sure these subs are getting all the power that they got, even if you had the factory amp, but now with our system. It's so much better because we have DSP tuning capability on these subs now as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know the latest about Harley audio, you need to follow Volunteer Audio. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube. Comment below and let us know what you think about all these new options, these new bikes. Yeah, let's be nice about some of these products. Maybe aren't as good as the aftermarket ones coming, but we know those people spend a lot of money, and we want to make sure that they get the most out of what they spent. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.